Festivals around the world. There are unique festivals all over the world. People get together and celebrate in lots of exciting ways. Lappeenranta is a city in Finland near the Russian border. Every summer it fills up with unusual statues made out of sand. Local artists and sculptors choose a theme and create stunning, huge sand sculptures. To do this, they sometimes use about 3 million kilograms of sand. When I was there, an enormous sand elephant was the main attraction. The artists use a special mix of water and wood glue to spray the statues so the weather doesn't destroy them. This festival is free of charge and you will be amazed by the beauty of some of the statues.
In Kazakhstan, people celebrate Independence Day every year on the 16th and 17th of December to commemorate the country's declaration of independence in 1991. People visit the presidential palace, Orda, and watch the parade. Lots of people dress in traditional clothes. There are yurts where they serve beshbarmak, a special dish with horse meat. In the evening, there is a magnificent fireworks display. It is always an unforgettable day.
The traditional DAO Festival in Qatar has only been running for a few years, but it is already a must-see attraction. A dhow is a traditional sailing boat. In the past, these boats were used by traders, fishermen and pearl divers. This event, which lasts for 5 days, attracts a large number of visitors. If you go to the festival, you will learn about the history of dhows and watch a light and fireworks display too. I really enjoyed myself there and I would love to go back next year. I took a trip to the Harbin International Ice and Snow Sculpture Festival. It is an annual event that happens in the city of Harbin, China. The city really comes to life during this festival. From December till February, the streets of Harbin are full of spectacular ice and snow sculptures. In the evenings, they are all lit up, and this makes you feel as if you are walking in a real-life fairy tale. The huge size of some of the sculptures is truly breathtaking. There are also ice carving contests and many winter sports competitions. Which one of the festivals would you most like to visit? Are there any similar celebrations where you live?